In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install the ESPN app on your LG Smart TV for an easy and enjoyable sports streaming experience. Begin by turning on your LG Smart TV and ensuring it's connected to the internet. Press the Home button on your remote and navigate to the LG Content Store or Apps section. Use the search bar to type ESPN or browse through the available apps. Once you locate the ESPN app, select it and click Install. Wait a few moments for the installation process to finish. After installation, open the app and log in with your ESPN account. If you don't have one, create an account or subscribe to ESPN Plus directly through the app. For quicker access, add ESPN to your TV's home screen or favorites menu. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel for more tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy streaming ESPN on your LG Smart TV.